Unlikely things to hear in a nature show.
Now we see the fastest predator on land, Prince Andrew running from American lawyers.
And as I watch these birds begin their mating ritual, I know that I'm really making full use of my Pornhub subscription.
I cannot believe it. Someone has bleached the minions.
Sperm whales. Could they be the reason the sea is so salty?
Here is the Indian elephant being asked by its mother why it hasn't met a nice girl yet.
The mighty bear emerges from hibernation. Time to get back on Grindr.
The male snake will shed its skin up to 12 times a year, all because it thinks moisturising is a bit girly.
As of 2020, the global population is 7.8 billion people. And you're still single.
The Serengeti, home to absolutely shitloads of animals.
Thanks to the wonders of modern technology, we can now translate what these penguins are saying into English. Let's listen in. Bloody hell, it's cold!
The owl's head can rotate 720 degrees before coming off in your hands.
I mean, just look at that massive fuck-off herd of elephants!
It is over. The hippo has won and the flamingo retreats because, frankly, he hasn't got a leg to stand on.
Just look at all those rhinos! Endangered my hole!
Well, it turns out a bull in a china shop wasn't as dramatic as we thought. But join us next week when I'll be putting a cat amongst some pigeons.
At just 3 microns, it is almost invisible to the human eye. Yep, I've got a tiny penis.
And in the first episode, we're going to be taking an intimate look at how it builds its dams. Yeah, I'm as disappointed as you. Anyway, welcome to Inside the Beaver.